Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. This recipe takes just 8 to 10 minutes to prepare, apart from some chopping time. Do you remember what I said about wasting food? I'll leave the link to the video here. So this whole idea of making cabbage stir fry didn't occur to me until I saw the remaining cabbage I used in making coleslaw on Sunday, lying in the kitchen just like that. So I decided to see what I could do with it. That's how I came up with this recipe. I have all my ingredients already prepared. Stir frying is a quick recipe, so it's important to be prepared and have all your ingredients close by. I choose to use sausage in this recipe to have some kind of protein in it, so feel free to swap it for a ground beef or chicken. I'm frying the sausage because I want to make sure it is well cooked. I don't want to eat any raw thing. I'm transferring in a plate. This will be used till later. I'll go in with the garlic and I'll fry until it begins to brown. Garlic is essential for that wonderful flavor. Add onions and fry until it softens. Add carrots, bell peppers, sausage. The color is already coming together. Carrots and bell peppers are easy and healthy way to bring color to the stir fry. Add cabbage, crushed black pepper and salt. Stir the mixture well so everything is well combined. I'm wondering what other way I should be preparing cabbage. If you have any favorite way, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And if you have tried this stir fry with ground beef or chicken or any other protein, please drop a comment. Let me know how it turned out for you. Cook until cabbage tenders. Look at it, how beautiful it is looking. This is healthy and delicious. Thank you all for watching. Until I come your way again on Sunday. Bye.